If you're traveling internationally or prefer to view prices in a different currency on TripAdvisor, you can easily change the display currency by following these simple steps. Open your web browser and navigate to the TripAdvisor website on your computer or mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically accessible from the main menu or your account drop-down. Within the account settings, look for the section related to currency or regional preferences. Look for the option to change the display currency. This may be labeled as currency preferences or regional settings. From the drop-down menu or list of currency options, choose the currency you want to use for displaying prices on TripAdvisor. After selecting your desired currency, save your changes or update the display currency preferences. Navigate back to the TripAdvisor website and verify that prices are now displayed in your chosen currency. Prices for accommodations, activities, and other services should now reflect the selected currency. Happy exploring! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.